Hi, my name is Mansi Pawar and I'm a triple IT graduate in ECE field. I graduated in 2016 and in May and June 2016 I joined Wisdom Mart here in Aurobindo Market, and I had applied to a couple of universities for 2017 fall semester and fall term, and I had applied to Rutgers Business School, University of Texas Dallas, University of Florida, Arizona State University, amongst others. I've got an admit from Rutgers, University of Florida, Texas Dallas, and I'm awaiting decision from Northeastern. Till now, I've decided to go to University of Florida, and my journey in Wisdom Mart has been amazing. I had a year experience. I'm working with a management consultant firm, and it also helped somehow, but it is not mandatory. And my journey has been really amazing because Wisdom Art has amazing faculty, really nice teachers who actually stress upon and focus on each and every student and their requirements, and they focus on their strengths, they focus on their weaknesses, and they teach you accordingly depending on what you need to be worked upon, what you do not need to be worked upon, what can be catered on your own, and what needs extra focus. They have a lot of exams, a lot of mock tests, a lot of really good assignments, and really good study material. So if you have all the material of Wisdom Art, I do not think and I do not suggest anything further than that. It is ample amount of stuff, so that is enough, more than enough actually. And it really helped me because I did not go through anything except what was provided to me from Wisdom Art. All the tests, all the mock tests, all the study material, assignments, books, reading material, everything that was provided was more than enough, more than sufficient. And for future aspirants, I would just say that Wisdom Mart is the right choice because you actually get to be in a stressful situation as well as in an easy situation and be able to realize what how the exam is going to be, how the stress is going to be, how everything is going to be, and they cater everything to it, everything about it. So from studies to stress management to being in a real situation, being studying with a lot of people, and being in a environment when you give your mock test or your exams, you give it with a lot of students, so you realize how your real exam is also going to be. So I think it is a really nice choice, so you should go for it. Thank you.